Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your science teacher of class 4. In previous class we started our first lesson, that is the human body. We discussed about the first part of human body, that was brain. We discussed the functions of the brain and the different parts of the brain. So today we are going to discuss another part of the body, that is heart. What is heart and what is the function of the heart? Heart is a very important part of the human body or an other living organism. Without heart, a living organism cannot live. So let's start our topic. Heart. What is heart? Heart, it is the organ. Heart is as the size of your fist. Fist means आपकी मुट्ठी. जितनी आपकी मुट्ठी होगी उतना ही आपके heart का size होगा. What is the function of the heart? It pumps the blood around the body so that oxygen and all the food rich in every part of the body so that the body can move, think, grow. What is the function of the heart? The heart pumps the blood and provide oxygen to whole body. What is oxygen? Oxygen is a gas which is important for every living organism. Not possible to live without oxygen. Oxygen is a gas. Without oxygen, a human or any other living organism cannot live. Where our heart is situated? Our heart is present slightly to the left of the center between the lungs. It is present between the lungs and our rib cage protect our heart. This is all about the heart and the function of the heart. Now let's discuss about the chambers of the heart. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. Left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and the right ventricle. These are the chambers of the heart. Blood that is rich with oxygen flow from the left atrium into the left ventricle and then around the body. The blood with oxygenated blood. Oxygenated means the blood in which the oxygen is present and our body need that oxygen. The blood with oxygenated flow to left atrium, then left ventricle and then to your whole body. Blood without oxygen flow from right atrium into the right ventricle and then to the lungs where it receives oxygen. The blood in which the oxygen is not present flow from right atrium to the right ventricle and then to the lungs. Why blood goes to the lungs? Because in lungs oxygen is present. This is all about the function of the lungs. This is an interesting information that the human heart beats about 37 million times a year. That's about 3 million times a month, 70,000 times a week, 10,000 times a day, 4,200 times an hour and 70 times in a minute. In a minute your heart beats 70 times. I am going to give you an activity work. You have to do this at home. Complete the crossword. The right dash is the chamber in the top side of the heart. The right dash, the right, here it is, the right atrium. The right atrium is the chamber in the top right side of the heart. Just write atrium here, but you have also write it in these boxes. Number 4, atrium, atrium. You have to write atrium in these boxes. Likewise, fill all the blanks and write the words inside these boxes. Do this work at home. Inshallah, in next class we will discuss about the other part of the body. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.